The Burnt Earth Beach House by Wardle stands as a testament to timeless design and a deep connection to the landscape. This extraordinary holiday retreat combines the raw beauty of terracotta and the enduring allure of bricks to create a home that transcends time. Architect John Wardle envisioned this sanctuary as an escape from the urban buzz of Melbourne, a place to reconnect with nature and embrace the elements. Let's explore how this architectural marvel blends artistry, material mastery, and environmental harmony. Burnt Earth Beach House is more than just a home, it is an ode to the land it inhabits. Drawing inspiration from the earthy hues of Anglesea's cliffs, the home's material palette includes hand-torn bricks and terracotta tiles that mirror the ochre tones of the natural surroundings. Wardle collaborated with Krauss bricks to craft bricks with raw, uneven textures, making each piece a unique reflection of the landscape. This tactile approach embeds the home in its environment, creating a seamless bond between the architecture and its setting. The home's connection to terracotta runs deeper than its exterior. Inside, the central kitchen is defined by a massive terracotta-tiled island bench, where Cotto Manetti tiles from Tuscany bring warmth and character. These tiles, crafted through generations of expertise, are not only visually stunning but also practical, offering durability and resistance. Their rich burnt red tones complement the spotted gum timber accents, adding layers of natural beauty throughout the home. At Burnt Earth Beach House, every space feels intentional and alive. The courtyard serves as an informal gathering area, with the kitchen, dining space, and a cozy reading nook radiating around it. Upstairs, the design becomes more playful with a floating study enclosed in hand-knitted netting from Vietnam. The interplay of light and shadow through large windows draws natural warmth deep into the home, creating spaces that evolve with the changing light. From the kitchen to the bathrooms, functionality is artfully fused with design. The Arrotado de Crudo terracotta tiles bring both aesthetic charm and practical benefits, such as temperature regulation. In the bathrooms, Agape's Petra basins, crafted to mimic the flow of water over stone, offer a tactile and serene experience. Every material choice speaks to the home's commitment to longevity and harmony with the elements. For Wardle, Burnt Earth Beach House is more than an architectural achievement, it is a lifestyle shift. It offers a reprieve from city life, a space to engage with nature and savor the simplicity of existence. The home's timeless design ensures it will continue to inspire and connect its inhabitants to the landscape and one another for generations. Burnt Earth Beach House by Wardle is a masterpiece that celebrates the union of craftsmanship, materiality, and environment. With its terracotta tones, thoughtful design, and seamless integration with the landscape, it stands as a tribute to the timeless beauty of Anglesea's surf coast. This home reminds us that architecture is not just about building spaces, it's about creating connections, both to the earth and to each other.